Hello, my name is Yannis. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install BFXR. Actually, you don't really install that. So the first thing you need to do is visit bfxr.net, then go to and download the Windows version or the Mac version. Okay, I'm just going to download them both because I don't know how long this website will be live due to the fact that Adobe Flash is obsolete. Okay. So here says discard, so I want to keep them because I can trust the source, so there's nothing dodgy there. So now I'm gonna go to show in folder, and I've got these two files, these two folders. Because since I'm using Windows operating system now, I'm just gonna double click to the Windows version and then click and drag this folder over to my desktop. Now I'm gonna close this. Now if I go to my desktop here, I will be able to see hidden files, hidden items, and file extensions. Okay, so I'm going to double click here to open the file, the folder, and now I'm going to right click here on this file here, this icon is the bfxr.exe. If you want to see that is the bfxr.exe, you click on the view. If you cannot see this, just expand this option here and then select file extensions, so you can see bfxr.exe. I'm going to right click, select copy, then I'm going to go to my desktop, right click and select paste shortcut. Okay, paste shortcut. Now I'm going to close this window and I'm going to right click here on the bfxr because I don't want accidentally to delete this. I'm going to click on properties, I'm going to click hidden and then click OK and then click OK again. Now as you can see, my folder now disappeared. If I would like to ever in the future delete this folder, I can always click on hidden items. You can open Explorer window, okay? Click on view and click on hidden items and then you can see it, then you can click and drag it and put it in the bin, okay, in the trash. So I don't want to delete it. I'm just gonna basically hide hidden items. And now I'm not going to accidentally delete this folder. So now I've got my BFXR. I can double click here and I can start using BFXR. Now it doesn't have to install, it has not installed anything. Everything is running based on this folder. So I can create different sounds for coins and then I can go back and review what I have basically selected. I can delete stuff from my list here and I can put new ones. And then I can choose which one I prefer. I could customize this one further if I want to, okay? And I could go to the mixer and then basically I could actually use different sound effects and then I could actually customize them a little bit. Okay. Okay, once you're happy with your customization, you can click on synth and then you can actually select, you can customize it even further, okay? And then you can actually click on export and then you will be able to export the WAV file, or you can drop down the list and export all. It will export everything that you have here on your library. You can actually have a play around with all the other settings. You can customize things as you go along. You can actually make the synth, the mixer, and then you can actually apply the mix. So then you can go back here and then you can customize this further. Okay, and then once you're happy, you can save it to the disk or you can say export the WAV file format. Hope you've learned something new today. I hope you will use these new skills of yours into developing sound effects for 2D and 3D video games. Thank you very much. Bye.